Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's continue with our today's session, which is a continuation from the last session. Today we will cover query reorder alerts, whereby if the stock is below our reorder level, we need to see an alert that we need to restock. So, as we said earlier, we usually come to create, then design view. The tables we need is table items and table transactions. Then from there, we are not going to write anything. We will go to design view, then we do SQL view. We don't need this. So we will start with select. We are selecting table items and we are selecting item ID. From table items, we only need item ID, item name, and reorder level. Then we continue. In our previous query, we had stock in, stock out, and current stock. We did it earlier. Sum. We are summing all quantities that their transaction type is in, and we name that field as stock in. We are summing all the quantities that transaction type is out, and we call that field stock out. Now current stock is given by sum quantity. We are summing the quantity, but for transaction type in, we subtract the sum quantity of transaction type out. For us to have now the message we need to see, maybe to tell us reorder, we already know that if we take current stock is below or equal to reorder level, we need to restock. So here we will come and say if. Here we will use a decision, and it's if what? Current stock, whereby current stock is given by this formula here. Stock in minus stock out. If current stock is less than or equal to reorder level, and reorder level is in table items, we need to see a message, need restock. Else we are having sufficient stock. So this one, we already know that if it checks and sees that transaction type in, the quantity minus quantity of transaction type out is less than reorder level, it will tell us restock. We talked about left join, whereby left join we use it when we want even the items with zero quantity to be displayed. So here, from table items, we left join table transactions, and we are using table. From table items, we are taking item ID. So we left join them. Then we group by item ID, item name, and reorder level. Still we go to having all these. We know it's current stock. Having quantity in or stock in minus stock out should be less than or equal to the order level. Then we order by item name, then we complete our query. So if we run this query and see what it will give us, here it's giving us need restock and it's for 10. If we come here to transactions, we can see transactions, we head in, out, so it's summing then subtracting the in and out. So you can see 10, they were sold 62. We had received 70, then we sold 62, remaining with 8, meaning we are below reorder level, whereby reorder level is given in table items. Reorder level is 10, so 8 is less than 10. That's why we are being given here needs restock. In our next session, we shall cover on how to create interactive forms. For example, we have login form, we have dashboard, among others. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the notification bell, subscribe, share, and comment if you enjoyed this session. Goodbye.